If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Adobe Acrobat lets you adjust your preferences for many different program settings. To open Acrobat's Preferences window, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, and then select the Preferences command. At the left side of the window, a long list of preference categories appears. To view the individual preferences within any selected category, click a category at the left side of the window to then show its individual preferences in the area to the right. At the top of the Preference Categories list is a group of the most commonly accessed categories: Commenting, Documents, Full Screen, General, and Page Display. Underneath that group is a much longer alphabetized list of other preference categories. Although you may not yet have enough experience with Acrobat to know which preferences you want to enable or disable, it's a good idea to have some awareness about which program functions you can turn on or off if needed. Most users only need to adjust some preferences listed in the most common categories. To view the preferences that determines how a PDF looks in Acrobat, click the Page Display Preference category. The preferences that then appear to the right let you change the default page layout and zoom preferences for PDFs, as well as set the default image resolution and other rendering settings. To view the general settings for Acrobat, click the General Preference category to show its preferences to the right. The checkboxes in the Basic Tools section at the top of the window let you change the way that the software functions if needed. For example, to enable or disable showing online storage options when saving files in Acrobat, check or uncheck the Show Online Storage when saving files checkbox, respectively. To show the options for viewing comments, their pop-up behavior, and making comments as part of a document review in Acrobat, click the Commenting category in the Preferences dialog box. Like the general settings and most of the other common preferences, many of these preferences appear as checkboxes you can check or uncheck to enable or disable the respective setting. To view settings for opening and saving PDFs in Acrobat and dealing with hidden and redacted document information, click the Documents Preference category. To customize the way full screen view appears and behaves when activated for a PDF in Acrobat, click the Full Screen Preference category. To view more advanced and specific preference categories in Adobe Acrobat if desired, click through the different preference categories listed in the Preferences window. While you may not need to set any preferences, it's a good idea to know which settings you can customize in Acrobat if needed. It is important to note that if you do not understand the impact that changing a setting will have on Acrobat, you should not change the setting. Altering some of these settings changes the fundamental ways Acrobat operates and can drastically alter the program's functions and features. Always take care when changing program settings to ensure you understand the effect changing the settings will have on the program. To apply any changed preferences in Adobe Acrobat, click the OK button in the lower right corner of the Preferences window. Alternatively, to close the Preferences window and discard any changes, click the Cancel button instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.